The city had fallen asleep under a blanket of rain. Flickering streetlights reflected off soaked pavement, and most taxi drivers had already called it a night. Asterisk, but Tyrone Hill was still out. Asterisk, a 42-year-old black cab driver in Chicago. Tyrone had been driving the graveyard shift for nearly 15 years. Not because he liked it, because he had to. His daughter's college tuition, his mother's medication, and the rent all depended on these dark hours. Asterisk, just past 1:10 a.m. A new ride request buzzed through his dash. Asterisk, pickup, Lakeview Estates. Drop-off, unspecified. Name, Elizabeth. Asterisk note, please hurry. Asterisk, Lakeview was not the kind of place that called for taxis. It was a gated community where millionaires lived behind marble pillars and smart fences. Asterisk still. A fare was a fare. Asterisk, Tyrone accepted the ride. Asterisk, as he pulled up to the estate's private driveway, a woman in a long black coat was already standing near the front gate. Her hair was pinned neatly, but her face was smeared with mascara and rain. Her hands trembled slightly as she opened the car door. Asterisk, she didn't say a word at first. Asterisk just sat down in the back seat and whispered, drive. Asterisk, Tyrone hesitated. Ma'am, I need a destination. She looked up, her voice fragile, just away. Something about the way she said it made his chest tighten, but he nodded. Okay, I know just the route. Asterisk, they drove in silence for several minutes through winding roads, across downtown bridges, past neon signs and shuttered cafes. Eventually, she spoke. Asterisk, my name's Elizabeth Wexler. Asterisk, Tyrone's hands froze for a moment on the wheel. He'd heard that name, Asterisk Wexler, as in the Wexler Foundation, as in the billionaire widow who lost her husband in that yacht explosion 2 years ago. Asterisk, Tyrone didn't press. But she kept talking. Asterisk, I couldn't stay in that house tonight. The anniversary. The emptiness. Silence. Asterisk, he nodded, understanding more than she could know. Asterisk, they stopped at a quiet overlook near the lake, a place where city lights danced on the water. Asterisk, Elizabeth finally turned to him and whispered. Asterisk, do you believe broken people can still save others? Tyrone's answer came gently. Only broken people know where it hurts. Asterisk, she exhaled like she hadn't breathed in hours. Asterisk, then maybe you were meant to be my driver tonight. Asterisk, just as they were about to leave. Red and blue lights flashed behind them. A squad car. An officer approached and knocked on Tyrone's window. Sir, step out of the vehicle. Asterisk, Tyrone was stunned. What's going on? Asterisk, the officer didn't answer. Instead, he turned to the back seat. Ma'am, are you okay? Asterisk, Elizabeth frowned. Excuse me. Asterisk, we received a call that a black male was seen leaving your estate with you possibly under duress. Tyrone's chest went cold. He looked at Elizabeth, and then something incredible happened. She stepped out, stood between Tyrone and the police, and said in a steady voice, Asterisk, this man is the only reason I'm still breathing tonight. If you're going to arrest someone, start with the system that makes you assume the worst. Asterisk, the officers backed off reluctantly, but word had already spread. The next day, media headlines swirled. Asterisk, widow Wexler, seen escaping mansion with unknown man. Was she in danger? Billionaire heir, involved in mystery midnight ride. Elizabeth didn't hide. She issued a statement, and what she said shocked the world. Asterisk, but that's a story for